Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can turn on vibration in silent mode on iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel, give us likes, write comments. Let's get started. So, first you and I will need to go into the phone settings. Here we select sounds and haptics. And then we're gonna go into vibration or haptics. We're gonna press that. And here we have a list like this. We can choose when they're on. They are always on, or only when the phones are in silent mode, or not even on in silent mode, or vibration is always off. So we have 4 items like that. I recommend that if you want the vibration to be on in silent mode, you choose either the first or the second option, like I do. But what if you have everything set here, but still no vibration? Well, then you can go also in your notes to the notifications subsection. And here we need to scroll down to the bottom to find the phone app. Click on it. And then here we go to the songs or ringtones section. Here we also see vibration at the top. Press it. The main thing we need to do here is to make sure that we don't have a check mark next to the word none. If you have it like this, then you have disabled vibrate for calls. You need to turn it on, either the default vibration that your iPhone offers you, or you can turn on any vibration you want from this list to feel the difference between all these vibrations. I suggest you hold the phone in your hand, as it is only when you make tactile contact with the phone that you will realize which of these vibrations is right for you. Once you have chosen one, you can safely walk out. You will now have your phone set to vibrate to calls. You can do the same with other apps like Messages. Next we go to ringtones, then to vibration, and also here we can see whether we have it disabled or not. The same thing we do with absolutely all other applications, for example, email, Instagram, and other applications such as Telegram, TikTok, all applications that you use and which have the function to choose a melody. So if you go to an application and there is a function to choose a melody, then you can choose and turn on or turn off the vibration to it. In such an easy way, you can turn on your tactile effects or vibration even in silent mode, not only for calls, but also for some other applications. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.